out wide to the left-hand side to Vinagre. Vinagre. Back in field it goes to Neves. Neves lines up across, trying to whip it in. Jimenez! Yes! Raul Jimenez opens his Molineux account and gets Wolves back on level terms for the second time. What a wonderful cross and a brilliant header from the Mexican sensation. It's Wolves 2, Everton 2. Game on again. Has looked right. Here he is in possession again from Neves' pass. On to Doherty, who continues run. Doherty across. Here it is! Raul Jimenez! Finally! Deadlock broken at Molineux! And it's the Mexican sensation who lights up this famous stadium again! They've been knocking on the door and finally they forced their way through. Wolves 1. 12 minutes remain. Jimenez right-footed in front of the South Bank. He steps up. He sends the keeper the wrong way. And Wolves are back in this game. Would you believe it? Molineux is rocking again. The most unlikely of comebacks could well be on. 12 minutes to play. It's Wolves 2, Tottenham 3. Looking downfield, flicks it infield to Gibbs-White, who rolls his man, trying to hold off Fabregas. Good run this from Gibbs-White, on to Jimenez, it's the penalty, Jimenez! Raul Jimenez! Raul Jimenez! Raul Jimenez! You beauty! That's the goal they came for! That's the goal we wanted! It's the goal that gets Wolves back in the game! Wolves 1, Chelsea 1, the Mexican sensation comes good. 11.5 minutes have been played at Molineux, still 0-0. Oh, that's a loose pass straight to Jota. Jota trying to run up towards the edge of the penalty area. On his left foot, still going down to the cross. It must be! It is! It's Raul Jimenez in the right place at the right time. And it's breakthrough for the old gold at Molineux. Wolves 1. Bournemouth 0.
Well, that was a catalogue of mistakes, wasn't it? I think it was Mings out on the left-hand side, just passed the ball square. Oh, it's Daniels. Charlie Daniels. Passed it straight to Jota, who's running at the heart of the defence. I think that's a shot. He's well onside Jimenez. The simplest of tap-ins.
Ball goes infield to Matinho. Matinho trying to lift one towards Caballero. Johnny is up in support. Caballero going infield. Now finding Jimenez. Jimenez the edge of the box. Jimenez shooting! Jimenez scoring! Oh my word! What a moment! A goal worthy of Wembley! Raul Jimenez has given Wolves the lead with 7 minutes to go! What an unbelievable turnaround! It's Spurs 1, Wolves 2!
Oh, great ball out by Matinho, but build-up play, keeping ball. But again, it's that man Matinho. Great drop volley out to Caballero, who's one-on-one, just puts it across. I'll tell you what, it's just the placement of it. No real player from Jimenez.
Has stolen it back. Jimenez down the right side, driving forwards. It's the penalty. Raul Jimenez to shoot. Raul Jimenez to score. Super breakaway goal for Wolves to get themselves in front. Advantage to the old goal on FA Cup third round weekend. Jota won it. Jimenez drove forwards and picked out the bottom corner for a beautiful finish. It's Wolves 1, Liverpool 0. Gives right forwards to Caballero. Caballero on his own out by the corner flag, spinning, twisting and turning, trying to find some room, back onto his right foot, sets himself, low ball in, comes all the way through, hit goal and turned in by Raul Jimenez. And Wolves are back into this game and they have 16 more minutes to find at least an equaliser to keep their FA Cup adventure alive. Shrewsbury 2, Wolves 1. Free kick. A corner out on the left-hand side. Matinho whips it in. Jimenez! Raul Jimenez, the Mexican sensation. Right place, right time. Wolves 2, West Ham 0. Jimenez trying to battle away with Sabaleta. There's a slip there from Obiang. Coutinho trying to launch it forwards to Jota. 2-on-1 here. Jota onto Jimenez into the box. It's Raul Jimenez! Perfectly lifted over the goalkeeper, and it surely will cap a wonderful Wolves performance. Wolves 3, West Ham 0, and it is football that you will want to watch again and again. Jota all weight on the far side, ready to run into the penalty area. Coutinho to flick in. Jimenez's header, Jimenez's goal! Wolves are back in front, and what a brilliant set piece! The Wolves bench celebrate just as much as the players. It's a brilliant flick in by Coutinho, and it's a super header into the near post, and Wolves restore their advantage right on half-time. Everton 1, Wolves 2. Jimenez scored 11 times already this season, including one from the spot. Can he make it 12? Jimenez to step up, right-footed, Borats, and he scores! Raul Jimenez sends the goalkeeper the wrong way, and Wolves are back in the game at the Vitality Stadium with less than 8 minutes to play. The kings of the late goal have come up trumps again. What's comes Sol Bamba under pressure. Jimenez has stolen it. Jota's trying to get in the penalty area. Can Jimenez pick him out here for a second? Crosses over. Jota brings it down on the chest. Pulls it back. Jimenez! What a start! What a moment! Oh, can you believe this? Raul Jimenez wins it. Drives forwards. Crosses over, and the composure from Jota to roll it back, and Raul Jimenez smashes home for his 13th goal of the season. We've only played 18 minutes at Molineux, and Wolves already have a 2-goal advantage. High ball up into the penalty area that Willy Boly deals with after Johnny won the first header. Neves forwards to Jota inside the centre circle, waits for Jimenez to arrive in support. Jimenez has done brilliantly. Here comes Jota, up to the edge of the box, infield to Raul Jimenez. Jimenez shoots, deflected, and it's in! It's in! It's in! Oh, can you believe it? What a moment for Wolves to turn the ball home with their first real attack of the game. Suddenly they lead at Stamford Bridge. It's Wolves 1, Chelsea 0.
There you go, you talk about all the possession that you can have with that first bit of quality and link-up play with Jimenez and Jota, and you get a goal out of it. Wasn't one of his classic goals, but I don't care, he'll take anything. But again, it's all about Jota and Jimenez, isn't it?
Picked up by Coutinho out on the left-hand side. Coutinho, can he get this ball back in the penalty area? He's going to drive alone. Coutinho pulls the cross. Jimenez can't quite get the strike away, and he's bobbing around. Jimenez shoots! Jimenez scores! Jimenez scores! Raul Jimenez scores! Oh my word, what a moment! And sheer pandemonium of Molineux! Would you believe this? The Mexican sensation comes up with the goods again, and it's Wolves 1, Manchester United 0.
Yeah, the pressure's been increasing as we went along. Wolves have just kept going at the United defence. Oh, what a finish as well.
To hit this on the turn, as he does, it is sensational.